Okay, to install your water station, fill it up and tie it up. As you can see here, we've got one of the straight ones. It's just the straight U-bend, it doesn't have the twist on it. What I suggest, plenty of options, but what I suggest, get some water into your watering can, take the rose off, pour some water in there. I've already got some water in here, so okay. All we need to do then is stand that up. Okay, a couple of drops will come out, that's about it. Okay. Now, at the moment, the water level is down about here. If we tilt that, okay, I can get the water level much closer to this point here. So it's just a case of putting that in the ground. We've got our tree that we're going to tie it to. I'm just going to angle that so that the water is getting very close to the lip of the U-bend. Shoelace works really well, or a piece of string. Okay, wrap that around. What I suggest is just a normal shoelace knot. Wrap that around once, twice, and even a third time. Okay, it stops it slipping. So we make that tight, and it's going to stop it slipping. I can really let that go, and it's not going to slip. It just makes it easier. Do our normal shoelace knot. Okay. Final adjustment of this one. Make sure it's okay. What we can do with the matic, once we've got our position there, we can straighten that up a little bit, dig a hole in here so that this actually comes closer to the ground, so it's easy for the small animals to get to. And it's like asking, I'm not going to do that. The other thing we can do is if we've got some rocks, put a couple of rocks here. Okay. Close up of that in a sec. Another rock at the back to position it so that it's not going to slide. That way. Okay, just a matter of filling the rocks around. It can't slide that way. Little animals can get up here, they can drink from here. If they happen to fall in, because it's at an angle, the water level is quite low, quite high on the lip, they can easily get out. They'll scramble out of there without too much drama. To refill it, we've already got that set up. All we need to do, untie that. Okay, I'll just let that water out. Lie that back down. Get our watering can again. Stand it up. Got our rock spaces. Got our string here. One, two, three. Tie that up. And that's our water station refilled.